last week we debuted my favorite segment of the season. That was the good news. The bad news, we only gave away $9. $9! Let's try to do better tonight, right? It is the Southwyck Plains Bowling Challenge. Tonight's pot, $99. Clarence Liggins, step right up. 3 straight strikes, you win $99. Here is his first ball of the night. Got to get a strike to start it off right. And then, yeah! No! 2 weeks in a row. It is not starting the season off well. Clarence. All right, so he started bowling at the age of 14, so he should be able to pick up this spare. I mean, I'm guessing he's a little over 14 now. Hobbies include shooting pool and bowling. High average 211, 300 games, 5,299. Let's get the spare. All right, he gets the spare. Norm Duke is his favorite pro bowler. So now it's just all icing on the cake at this point. Let's get 10 pins here. And, oh yeah! Happening in Southwyck Lanes. 19 total. So we give 10 more away than last week. 19 total for Clarence tonight.
Your practice shots looked really good. Looked like you were kind of dialed in, but that first one you kind of pulled it a little bit.
Yeah, I rushed. The excitement, trying to crush it.
And then, as they always say, throw your spare ball as your strike. You got that one. Second shot, you were able to take care of the spare.
Because I was relaxed. The pressure was off.
Pressure off a little bit. Then you threw a really nice ball again, but pulled it just a little bit on the second one.
Yeah, in the rush again, in the rush. But what can I say?
All right, Clarence Liggins picks up $19 tonight. We're going to roll over the rest of it. We'll see how it plays out next week, guys.